Brought to you by JEGS.
We've all seen it. In fact, a lot of us have experienced it. Your Jeep is almost vertical. The onlookers staring on with anticipation, with a knowing grin. Everything is in control. You are about to become that guy. Suddenly your vision is obscured by smoke. A smoke screen that James Bond would have been proud of. Mothers in the crowd grab their small children and pull them away from the smoke, from the oxygen-depleting smoke in quantities large enough to create an EPA Superfund site right there on the trail. Your motor starts to make a painful knocking noise. If you retreat off the obstacle in shame soon enough, you may be able to save your motor from damage. But does that count as a fail? Your Jeep's PCV system is sucking oil from your motor, pumping it up into the valve covers and into your intake system, and creating that smoke screen. This is not good. Hydrolocking is not only a possibility, it's a high probability. If you're quick enough, you can back off the hill in shame and possibly save your motor from the damage. Yeah, that does count as a fail. How about that saying about an ounce of prevention? That's some wisdom right there. And TeraFlex's engineering team has come to the rescue with an ounce of prevention that will save you a ton of expensive motor repairs. This is the first look at our new crankcase ventilation system that eliminates smoke. Smoke means oil-killing engine. Stop smoking at inopportune times with our simply effective PCV mod. The CVS system, crankcase ventilation system, will protect your engine from that dreaded hydrolock. This system is an easy-to-install, all-inclusive kit to take the worry out of being vertical. Think of this mod as an affordable insurance policy against spendy motor damage. TeraFlex will have more information coming soon, but for now, be careful out there.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.